What is the consumption function? The first component is autonomous consumption. What is the autonomous consumption? Autonomous consumption is consumption at zero level of income, because we cannot live without the income. And what is this B? B is nothing, it is the MPC. And what is the MPC? It is the ratio of change in consumption to change in income. That is called BY. So part of income, change in consumption to change in income, it's called the B. We denoted by the B. Now what is the saving function? Saving function यदि हम लोग इसके components की बात करें तो what is this? Y is equal to C plus S. Y is equal to C plus S. So saving function is, what is the autonomous consumption in saving function? Means zero level पर हम जो भी consume कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से consume कर रहे हैं? This is from our past saving. So that will be our minus C bar. That is negative autonomous consumption. Okay. And what is this 1 minus B? 1 minus B is MPS. Because MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So what is the 1 minus B or 1 minus MPC? It is equal to MPS. So 1 minus BY, it is what? It is the slope of saving to slope of change in income. It is change in saving to change in income. That is called the saving function. And it is most important questions. Generally it will comes every time. Derivations of consumption function from saving function or saving function to consumption function. And it is very easy to make it. ऑलरेडी दोनों कर चुके हैं हम, सेविंग फंक्शन भी कर चुके हैं और हम लोग कंजम्पशन फंक्शन भी कर चुके हैं. अब ना हम लोग डिराइव करेंगे व्हाट? वी विल डिराइव द कंजम्पशन फंक्शन फ्रॉम सेविंग फंक्शन, और वी कैन से इट इज द कंजम्पशन सेविंग कर्व फ्रॉम सेविंग डेरिवेशन ऑफ सेविंग कर्व फ्रॉम कंजम्पशन कर्व. Now, first of all, we are making the consumption curve. This is our Y, and it is always on 45 degree. This is the Y which is on the 45 degree. 45 डिग्री इसलिए लिखते हैं, तो हमारा ये लिखना जरूरी है कि आप देखिए कि कहीं ना कहीं ये 45 से ऊपर मैंने बना दिए. लेकिन यदि यहाँ पे मैंने 45 डिग्री लिख दिया है, इट मीन्स इट इज डेफिनेट की इट इज ऑन द 45 डिग्री. And this is the consumption curve, and it is the C bar. Here we are showing the income, and here we are showing the consumption. Now we have to derive saving curve from this consumption curve. So I am making it on the another curve, or it can be made on the same curve. I am making it on the another curve. जब हम लोग यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं तो what is the ratio दिस कंजम्पशन फंक्शन? जितना आपका यहाँ पर C बार है, the same is the minus C bar here. So बिल्कुल सेम मेजरमेंट से स्केल से मेजर करके we have to take minus C bar here. उतना ही सेम हमें minus C bar यहाँ पे लेना होगा. This line denote to the income again. And here we are showing the saving. This is our break even point where C is equal to Y, and the same we will take a perpendicular line from this till this axis, and we will draw with the help of a scale. We will make a saving curve from here, because जहाँ पर आपकी C is equal to Y है, the same here the saving is 0. So this will make our saving curve. So it is the derivation of consumption curve to saving curve. The same we can derive from saving curve to consumption curve. जैसे बनाया है वैसे ही लिखना है. We have to write here that on x-axis we are showing income, on y-axis we are showing consumptions, and in this curve we are showing income here and saving here. पहले consumption का y curve denote the income and C curve denote the consumptions. C bar is our autonomous consumptions, and at this point E, the C is equal to Y. This is the called the break-even point. Derivation of saving functions, we will take up minus C bar equal to the C bar here, and then we will make a perpendicular line here till this axis, and we will join this point, any point you can say B point, till the we will make a straight line making the saving curve. That is the our derivation of the saving curve from the consumption curve. आगे समझ आपको? Yes, you got it.